Well, this is the Auto VJ tab. We are displaying the playlist in looping mode. How does it work? Let's assume you have a sequence of 10 videos. You will begin playing from the first to the last one. When you reach the last video, you will go back to the first one and stay in that sequence indefinitely. Here on the left side, we have the videos that are currently playing in your playlist. What is shown in red is currently playing. The one in purple is the next to be played. And the blue ones are both. Here at the bottom, we have the backup playlist. It is merely a security feature for your playlist. So should an issue arise with a video in your main playlist, instead of playing a black screen, this backup video will be played. For example, in case a video has an audio issue, a video problem, whatever it is, the backup video will play in its place. Here we also have some options. You can delete a video by clicking the trash can, duplicate the video by clicking on these two papers, or watch the video by clicking the camera icon. Here we have some settings. We have this little trash can where you can delete the video, duplicate the video by clicking these two papers, and by clicking on this film reel, you can watch the video. A preview of this video will be available. And here on the right side are all your videos inside your folders. By default, the basic folder will always be shown, but for example, all other folders in your gallery will also be displayed here. For instance, if I select the main folder, I will see all the videos contained within it. And the setup is quite straightforward. To play a video in your playlist, you just need to click on it and drag it to the playlist. The same applies to the backup playlist. You just need to hold the video and drag it to the backup playlist. And you can also play videos in any order you'd like. For instance, I placed the video here at the end. If you wish to move it upwards or change its position, you can make any adjustment you want. It can move up, down, or displace others. You can do whatever you wish with your playlist. Furthermore, we also have a news feature, which would be the auto. Also, we have the JMV content tool, a news tool that provides various videos helping to supplement content. So you would click on News, then Portal, select your portal, then on Categories. Select a category. In this case, I will choose Technology, and you will already have a video from that category. And it's very simple. Just take this video, add it to your playlist, and that's it.